you fix the problem or know how you can do that on your Audiomack app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click here on settings, it's going to show for you this like this here. So then you go down here, you just keep going down here. So then you click here on apps, just click here on apps here. So then you come to apps is here, and here you're looking here for Audiomack app. So just click here on search. So then here at Audiomack, it's going to show for you like this here. So just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this here. Click here on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage this here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, just restart your phone, install it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.